Hello, my name's Cadence. Hello, my name.
Hi, I'm Candace, and welcome to
Growing My Veggie Garden.
Welcome to Growing My Veggie Garden, our vlog about the patch we have in our community garden. Today is harvest time, part 2 in our patch. It's been almost 5 months since we started, and we're ready to show you what our garden looks like now. We've invited our friends the Griffins to help us pick our veggies. Let's see what they found in the garden. Alright guys, so let's look at what we have. We have the long scarlet radishes and turnips. So what we're going to do is we're going to look and see which ones are ready to be pulled out of the ground.
I think this.
Do you guys have your gloves?
Yeah.
All right, let's check. Which one do you think?
I think this one is ready.
Oh yeah, that one's nice and ready. And which one do you say, Irvin? Oh, no, not the little one, but maybe this one right here. Okay.
That can be for you.
Then we have this one right here. All right, so who wants to go first?
Me.
Of course. All right, so let's start. Cadence, you start first, so Irvin, you can watch it. All right, is that
That's
fine?
so
All
big.
right. So watch how she does it. She's gonna dig into the soil as she slowly lifts it up. Make sure you get a little deeper.
I think these two are connected.
Oh, we got 2 in 1. Look at that. You got it?
So,
Nice and pretty.
So here's the small one and here's the big one.
All right, Irvin, it's your turn. Irvin, how about this one? You want to do the long scarlet radish? Okay, so we gotta be gentle now. So is that better?
You're telling me. That's
Ooh, look at that. Let's show that to the camera.
That's a big one. That was like a carrot.
Turnips are a crunchy root vegetable. They come from the family of arugula, cauliflower, and kale. They are believed to have been eaten in prehistoric times. That means that they already existed when the dinosaurs were roaming the earth. Turnips are not a very popular vegetable, but they should be. Their benefits to our health are incredible, and it should make us think twice about including them in our diet. For example, turnip greens are a great source of vitamins A and C, and 1 medium turnip is full of potassium, a mineral that helps our muscles and heart be in good condition. Potassium also helps in the prevention of high blood pressure, stroke, kidney stones, and brittle bones. Turnips also have glucosinolates, a compound that prevents all kinds of cancer. Turnips also have the antioxidant called lutein that keeps our eyes healthy and prevents macular degeneration and cataracts. Turnips are a wonderful addition to salads and soups. They are a bit spicy when eaten raw, but they turn sweet when cooked, and mixing small quantities of turnips into our food may prove to be an excellent addition to our dishes.
Okay, so now we're gonna cut some lettuce.
Some lettuce, yes. Ooh, hold it up to the camera so the camera can see.
Okay. I just cut mini lettuce.
growing your own veggies is fun, right?
Yeah. You're gonna have a nice salad.
Yeah.
As you show the leaves.
I made 3.
Lettuce is a leafy vegetable commonly used for salads. It is believed that lettuce was originally cultivated in ancient Egypt around 2680 BC. There are many types of lettuce. The most common are head lettuce, leaf lettuce, and romaine lettuce. In our patch, we planted spring lettuce, which is a leafy lettuce. There are many health benefits to eating spring mix. It is a good source of vitamin A, manganese, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. All these minerals provide bone strength, vision protection, and heart health. They also have an anti-inflammatory agent and may even lower cholesterol and promote brain health. If you suffer from food allergies, especially lettuce allergies, make sure you check all the lettuce types in your spring salad before you try it.
And there are 2 ways, guys, that we can plant onions, and that's with seeds and with bulbs. Let's dig our hole with our fingers, not too deep, Irvin.
Yeah,
Okay, that's all right. Then you take your bulb and make sure you leave the top part out once you put it in.
Yeah.
Yep.
I would do that.
So not too deep. Hold on. You don't want to cover it. See, you're gonna leave that out.
It looks like our gardener friends, the Griffins, are having such a good time in our patch. This season was a test of what would grow in our patch, and we're very proud and happy that we grew very good vegetables. There are so many vegetables and herbs still waiting to be discovered, and that's why we're cultivating a second patch. We can't wait to tell you all about it. We ran out of time today, but please come back next time when we will show you our new patch. Thank you for tuning in. It's been so much fun to have you in our patch. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our social media channels. See you next time.